Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you are a dad in the state of California and you have just completed filing your paid family leave claim. Now what? I'm going to answer some common FAQs like how long it should take to process your claim, when you can expect that first payout, and how to check the status of your claim. So I'm going to show you my husband's portal. I just recently completed his claim on the 14th of October 2023, and we actually received our first check on the 26th of October, along with a notice, which I'll explain to you as well. So first off, how long should it take to receive your first payout? The EDD website says that you should receive your first payment within approximately 14 days of completing your claim online. Of course, that's assuming they have all of the proper documentation and you filled out your claim paperwork correctly. You can watch my how-to tutorial to make sure that you submit all of the appropriate documentation and do it correctly. Secondly, how do you check the status? So this is where I'm going to jump into the portal. If you forgot where you filed the claim, just Google EDD login. It'll take you to the site. Click on benefits login, enter your information, verify your email. That will pop you into the portal. After you click paid family leave and disability claims, you can scroll down in that section and you will see the confirmation receipts for the paid family leave claims you submitted. So in my husband's portal, there's two claims. The first one is for our first child. The second one is for our most recent child. And if you look at the text right here, there is actually no way to check the status of your paid family leave claim online, unfortunately. You can only call the paid family leave number, which if you've ever tried to call that number, it's an absolute nightmare. I do have a video on how to get through to someone if you do in fact have an issue with your claim and desperately need to call in and get a live representative on the phone. Although you can't check the status, be on the lookout for any paper documentation you may be receiving in the mail, and also check your inbox on the portal. If there's an issue with your claim, they're most likely going to send you documentation, message you through the portal, or call you on your personal number that you provided in the claim information. So just be on the lookout. Like I said, if there is an issue, they will reach out with one or maybe multiple of those three methods that I just mentioned. So once your claim is approved, the EDD will send you either a check payment or they will send you a debit card payment. And that will be determined on how you fill out your claim and what payment method you selected that you would prefer. With that initial payment, you will get this piece of paper. The piece of paper is basically letting you know that if you do decide to end your leave for whatever reason and go back to work, you need to let the EDD know to avoid overpayment. This paper also lets you know that you should expect payment every 14 days, approximately every 2 weeks. And if you don't receive those payments every 2 weeks for whatever reason, you need to contact the EDD. Because paid family leave is 8 weeks in California, you should receive 4 checks in total every 2 weeks, unless you told the EDD that you do not want to take your full 8 weeks of leave all at once. So that pretty much sums up what to expect after you file your paid family leave claim. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. As I mentioned, I have all of those supplemental videos for moms and dads answering FAQs and how-tos on the whole paid family leave and disability process. Thank you so much for watching.